Hello everyone. Today we solve LeetCode problem number 3043, finding the length of the longest common prefix. Like first we understand the problem, then we think the solution, what we can do. What we have two array, ARR1 and ARR2. What we can do, we have to find the maximum prefix of the both array. Like we have a prefix like start from the like prefix have one, then prefix like one, and then zero, then one, then zero, then zero. In this we have start with the one, then zero, then zero, then zero. Like what we have to do, we have a 12 array like one, 10, then 100, and second array is the 1000. uh, what we have to find, we have to compare both the value like this one and this one, and uh, then prefix from start prefix are the same. Then we have to uh, store that maximum value. One we have one, then we go to there one and zero, there are same as one and zero, then we update it to, then we check for one, uh, one is a one, and zero is equal to also zero, then zero is also zero, then we have to update it into three. Then what is the maximum prefix of our array is three. You can see, we compare 1 and 1000, then 10 and 1000, and 100 and 1000. 100 is the common prefix of the both the array. So that's why our common prefix length is the 3 maximum length. Like in example number 2, what we have a 1, but in second array we can't have a 1, so we move to the 2. We check 2 are not there, then we check for 3. No anything matching on the ARR1 and ARR2, that's why we return 0. uh, let's think about the solution. What we can do first, brute force approach is the in our mind. We have to make a to loop for that. Like we if we take array 1, 10, and 100, second array is a 1000. What we can do, we have to make a to loop for the both the element. First we one are there, I is there, j are there. Like we if we improve that, in this we have to take 10, 100, and 1000. Then what we can do, we can erase that thing. Then take another example, easily we can easily understand. We take I and j. First of all, we put I on the one, and then we move all the array like I, j, compare I and j, then increase j, then compare both of them, then increase, uh, compare one, here are 1 and 1000. Then what we can do, we increment I, then we compare like this one, then this one, then this one. Then we move I to in this location, and we can j also compare with that, compare with that, compare with. Then we return the maximum uh, prefix of the both the element. It is the answer. If it is not equal to, then we return the zero. What we can do, we can make a true for loop for that. I like that. Like we start with the, we take the starting value is the zero, uh, for uh, uh, if it is not anything equal to, then we return the zero. What we can do, we have take the size of the ARR1 and ARR2, we put into n and m, then we make it to for loop for that. Like for I, we start from the 0, and also j start from the 0 and go to the n and go to the m. What we can do, we make a to string for that. Like first string, first we put the first element of I into string st, then first element of uh, uh, ARR2 into the string empty. Then we compare both the element using make a we find out the length of the minimum length of the both the element. Then we compare both of them and increment the current value. After that, we if current is a like compare this thing and this thing, uh, this one, and so if it is this one is the greater than the uh, our updated one, then we increase equal to them, and we find out the maximum one. One is the this is, but it time complexity is the like we make to follow for that n square. That's why we have the constant of if we have a length like 5 into 10 key power 4, then if element is equal to the length of 10 key power 4, then if n square, then we multiply into 10 key power, then we uh, show the TLE in this code. But what we can do, we have used the SMAP for that. How we can use the SMAP? First of all, we take the example S set for that. What we can do, we have take example like we have one, then 10, then 100. In second one, what we have a like 2, then like 100, then 100. Okay. What we can do, first of all, this one is the ARR one, it is the ARR 2. What we can do, we first of all for ARR1, what we can do, we have to make a set for that. First of all, we make the loop for the size of the array. Then we store the first value into num. Then we find out the one element, like we uh, take the one element and check it is the greater than 0. Then we insert into the our set. If like that we have the 10, then we also what our set look like. First element is the 1, then second element is the 10, then we have to insert 10, then we divide into and make like first of all what we can do, we insert 1, then we insert 10, like we divide, then what have the 100 for 100 we have to 1, then 10, then 100, like our unordered set look like that. What we can do, we have the divide one part, then we store to the unordered set. Second thing, for this array, we what we can do, we can same as the we take a answer 0 for the storing the uh, maximum value in the answer, maximum common prefix for that. Second, we have to for loop for that, and then we take first element like 2 into the our nums, and we also take comparison for that. If nums is greater than 0, then what we can do, we can compare to the our count, st dot count, like that. St dot count or 2 are then we what we can do, we have to find the length of the maximum length of the both the element. If it is both are the equal, then we take maximum length and store into the our uh, maximum answer. Then move to the like that, and we compare both of 100, and then we find out the maximum length, and we updated our maximum length to that, and then take like we divided into 10, then update and loop like that. What is this time complexity? Time will be go of n plus m. What we have two separate loop for that, for ARR1 and ARR2. Then we find out the maximum answer of the common prefix, then we return. And what is the space complexity? We take the another set and we insert all the element, and we traverse the all the our another set. What is space complexity? We have extra space, we go off, and let's run it in the our lead code. Uh, in this case, we have time complexity and space complexity big of 1, but it is out of limit. Then it's so TLE. What it is the best solution? We can no, I think, and not n square for that. It is there time complexity of n into m for two loop. We go n into n. Uh, let's run the LeetCode. I already write both the code. For that, let's first check two loop n into m. Then we check for n plus m for time complexity. Like run it. You can see we pass all the three test cases. Uh, you can see runtime is 147 ms. You can see we have TLE. Then we have updated using the unordered set. Uh, like you can see 0 ms for the Discord. We have accepted all the test cases, passed all the available test cases, and we have speed runtime speed beat 69% of our code. Thank you for watching my video. Uh, and also, if you like my video, then share my video.